In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart in Google Sheets. To get started, open the Lucidchart diagram that you want to place into your Google Sheet. Make sure you have the correct diagram open before exporting it, especially if you have multiple files in your recent documents. This helps avoid downloading the wrong version and saves time later. Once you're inside the Lucidchart editor, go to the top menu area and look toward the left side. Click the hamburger icon to open the menu. From there, hover over Export and then choose the file type you want to use. In most cases, PNG, JPEG, or SVG will work well. For this example, we'll use PNG since it's a common choice and usually works nicely when inserted into a spreadsheet. After selecting your format, Lucidchart will load an export preview page. On this screen, you'll see several options on the right-hand panel. This is where you can adjust things like the file format, crop settings, and image quality. You may also see an option called Include Page Fill. Depending on how you want the diagram to appear, you can turn that on or leave it off. Take a moment to review the preview so you know the exported image looks the way you expect. When everything looks good, click Download in the top right corner. Then just wait a moment for the file to finish downloading to your computer. Before moving on, it's a good idea to remember where the file was saved so it's easy to find in the next step. Now open Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet where you want to add the Lucidchart diagram. Click the area where you want the image to appear. This is important because it helps place the image in the right location from the start. Next, click Insert in the top ribbon. Hover over Image and then choose whether you want to insert the image in a cell or over cells. If you want the diagram to behave more like part of the sheet layout, placing it in a cell may be helpful. If you want more freedom to resize and move it around, inserting it over cells is usually the better option. A pop-up window will appear. Make sure you're on the Upload tab, then click Browse. Your computer's file browser will open. Find the Lucidchart diagram you downloaded, select it, and press Enter on your keyboard. Google Sheets will then upload and insert the image into your spreadsheet. And that's it. You've successfully exported a diagram from Lucidchart and added it into Google Sheets.